Hi, my name is Annie and I'm an interior designer by profession and a mother of two children. Because of my hectic schedule of my lifestyle, I was not able to take care of my skin properly. I'm 35 years old and my skin was looking much more dull and older than my age. On several research on internet and going through the reviews, I found one cream that really worked out for me. So today is my 20th day of applying that cream and I would love to share the experience to all of you. I use twice a day this cream daily and right now I feel much more younger than I was before. I feel almost 5 years younger than I'm right now. So this cream is Novawhite cream from Nova. It has really a subtle and sweet aroma, and the packaging, as you can see, is really compact, so even if you're traveling you can take it on your vanity purse. And when you apply it on your skin would you would be able to feel that your skin is much more softer and smoother. When I applied it on the first day itself, my skin looked much more fairer, and yesterday night I went to meet one of my friend and she was like, wow, you look so beautiful today. One thing that I felt was I observed that my fine lines have disappeared. So I recommended this to my aunt who is 50 years old, and you won't believe her if you look at her right now. So I have become a fan of this cream, and that's the reason I'm making this video for you guys. So this cream works to lighten your skin and reduce appearances of your wrinkles. So old looking skin is not a disease, it is a process of aging. With the age of 30 years and above, we begin to look dull and lose elasticity of our skin and starts showing wrinkles and fine lines. So this is the stage of life wherein our skin requires accurate nourishment and care so that we look younger and brighter. So this Novawhite cream is loaded with antioxidant, glutathione, provitamins, collagen peptides, Siberian Ginseng that helps to correct aging signs, wrinkles, dark spots, dullness, uneven skin tone and lack of elasticity, and that brings firmness to mature skin, and we will look much more brighter and younger. So this cream is suitable for both men and women. Where can you buy this cream? You can very well check out Flipkart and any of the outlets of Health and Glow or Wellness Forever, and you can also buy it in any of the leading medical stores across India. And I would like to thank Novawhite cream, and I would like to thank Nova. You guys really deserve an applause.